Embedding a Google Doc into a content page in Canvas. Before you get started with embedding your Google Doc, you need to make sure that you are signed into your Canvas, of course, which, as you can see from this display, that I am signed in. And then you also need to have open the content page in Google that you plan on using. I'm going to switch back to my Canvas course and we're going to get started. First of all, you're going to start out by scrolling down to the module that you plan on adding the content page into. And for this particular embedding, I'm going to scroll down to my create a content page module, and I'm going to click on the plus sign to the right. Then I'm going to click the drop down section and click content page. Then I click on new page, and then inside of the page name box, I'm going to say embedding a Google Doc into a content page screencast. Once I create my title for my content page, then I'm going to hover over the title and open the title up. And then I will click on edit in the upper right hand corner. Once I'm inside of my blank content page, then I'm going to click on the blue hyperlink in the right hand corner for HTML editor. Once I click the hyperlink for HTML editor, then I'm going to change from my Canvas course and I'm going to click to open up the Google Doc that I want to use. Once I see my actual Google Doc, then I'm going to go to File and Publish to the Web. The purpose of publishing to the web is once you put your Google Doc embedded into your content page, if you have to go back and make any changes, you can make the changes and it will update it on your Canvas course automatically without you having to go in and delete the item and then re-put it back in again. So I'm going to click on the blue publish button, and then I'm going to click OK, that I'm sure that I want to publish it. And then I'm going to change over from the link tab to the embed tab. This allows me to get the embed code. I'm going to click on the code and it changes over to all blue, which means I can click Command plus C to copy or Control plus C to copy the actual embed code. Now I'm going to click on the tab for my Canvas course again, and then I'm going to click Command plus V on my keyboard or Control plus V depending on the type of device I have, and then I will click Save. Once I save the actual document that I embedded, as you can see, the document is very small. You can only see drag or reorder, which is part of the title. So what I need to do now is go back in and edit the embed code to increase the height and the width on the code. So I'm going to click on Edit, and then I'm going to click on the blue hyperlink again for the HTML editor. And you have to insert an embed code for the height and width. The embed code that you need to use would be width equals 100% and height equals 500 in quotes. So I'm going to click Command C to copy this code, and then I'm going to go back to my Canvas course, and at the end of the colon behind the word true in your embed code for the content page, I'm going to click and put my cursor there and do Control V or Command V, and then I will click Save. And now, as you can see, the height and width of the actual Google Doc that I embedded has changed. This is how you embed a Google Doc into a content page in Canvas. Also, at this point, if you decide that you want to publish your document so your students can go ahead and see it, then you can click the publish button here and it will publish your document. This is embedding a Google Doc into a content page in Canvas.